Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am King Kendra. If you want to see how I accomplished this soft beat, make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. And this video is for my girlies who like looks like this, you know, soft but subtle. You're not doing too much, but you still like, you can tell your face is like beat. Also doing like a little story time, a little life update for you guys. And I hope you like the video and give it a like and thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. So let's get to the beat. Okay you guys, so class is in session, and first things first, you always want to moisturize your face. And this is a moisturizer that I use, the Embryolisse. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I got this off of Amazon, and I swear by this moisturizer because I absolutely love it. I love it on myself, and I use it on my clients. That's the first thing you want to do before you get into your makeup. So right now we're going to do skin prep, and I cannot stress enough how important skin prep is. Okay, so after that, yeah, you want to moisturize your under eyes. I'm going to use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost eye cream. I got from Target. Let's see if I don't dig out my eye with my nail. I love when people are like, how do you operate with your nails this long? I'm just like, I do the same thing. It really makes not much of a difference. Okay, pat that in. Then after that, you want to go in with a gripping primer. I use my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Put that on. Make sure it's like sticky and tacky, so okay, so your foundation can grip to the primer. Does that sound properly? I'm gonna use my Smashbox primer. I love this primer, it's so good. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone area where I get the most oily. I'm gonna go in with my Danessa Myrix. I'm in the shade 9 for my shade twins out there. This is it. I love this because it like literally blurs your makeup. Like, I'm just gonna put it in my T-zone area as well. My nose. Lately I've been doing my eyebrows lashed. I don't know what's that about, but today I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Because either way it doesn't really make a difference in my opinion, but I'm just gonna do my eyebrows first today. You always wanna comb your eyebrows out first. I'm gonna use my LA Girl pomade. This is in the shade Soft Brown. I'm just gonna follow my natural eyebrow shape. You get right here, you don't have to go in too much because you want there to remain natural looking. But it's been such a long time I've done a tutorial. I'm not gonna say they're my favorite thing to do because if it was, I'd do more, but eventually I will start doing more. And I just felt like in the mood to do a makeup tutorial today, so here we are. Then I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer using the shades Cocoa and Chai for my eyebrows. I'm going to start off with Cocoa here and lighter here. So you'll see what I mean. And I'm using a lighter shade of concealer just to highlight my eyebrow bone right here. Buff it out, of course. Blend it. Alright, see how we do this brow. Let me just clean it up with doing the top. I want to be done with my makeup in 15 minutes. Let's see if I can do that. When you do the top of your brow, make sure you always use a concealer that's close to your skin tone. You don't want to get too crazy and have it be too light. Oh, I didn't even see you guys. Ow! I keep biting inside my lip. Oh, it's literally like, it's literally bleeding. But I am currently getting ready to go out. So my friends from high school, they're coming to New York and we're about to eat at this dinner that's kind of like relatively close to me. So I'm just like, you know, I don't like, so with me, every time I have like an opportunity to see like old friends or just like friends in general, I try to show up because I like to show up for people just how I want people to show up for me. And I don't get to see my friends from Connecticut as often as I would like to. So that's what I'm getting ready to go out and do now. I look like an Aussie right now. Don't mind my outfit, but when I pop out, I pop out. But yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial because I honestly, as being a makeup artist, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really enjoy doing tutorials. I feel like I'm always like in a rush. Even right now, like I'm rushing. I'm not rushing, but like time is of the essence, and I don't have much time to do my makeup. But I'm still taking my time, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I will be running late in true Kendra fashion. Also, when I have on false lashes, when I run individuals, I don't like to use like an eyeliner. I try to keep them as clean as possible. So yeah, I usually do like a brown, neutral looking lid. So that's what we're gonna do today. Keep it real cute, keep it real simple. So let's put on the brown. But anyways, me, like I don't see my friends often. Like I live so far away from everyone. So like I said, whenever I have the opportunity to see people, I have to show up for them. Because when my time comes, all people show up for me. So life lately. Where do I even start? Let me start from last year around my birthday. So last year, November 22nd, I turned 30. All right, I turned 30, and before I turned 30, I told myself I want to move out. I want my own spot. Because before I lived, like, so as you guys know or may not know, I live in New York and it's not the cheapest place to live. So I had roommates and I told myself by 30, I want to be out of this living situation. Like it wasn't terrible. Like I lived in a house, I had 2 roommates, it wasn't bad. Like we all were cool. We all had our own schedule, so it was fine. But me, I told myself I need to be out of this place by 30 years old. Because I'm just like 30, it's a new year. I feel like 30 is like when you enter like your real grown woman era. And to me, no shade, but like, I was like, yo, I'm 30. Like, I need my own space. I want my own crib. I don't want to be living with no one. To me, it was weird to say that, oh yeah, I'm 30, but I have roommates. That was not a flex to me. I just said it. I just said it, and by God's grace, it happened for me. Because there is power in the tongue. I'm telling you that right now. There's power in the tongues. Because I applied for this apartment, and a couple months later, in December, I moved in. And even before I got my apartment, I saw signs, like literally signs on like buses saying, oh, this is like the area where I was moving. I saw like signs about the area I was moving. And like one day I just felt so grateful. Like part of me knew I was like getting the apartment. Like I had this feeling I was getting the apartment. And then I finally did get the apartment and I was just like so happy. Like the first thing I did when I got my apartment was like I prayed. Like I prayed. And also, you guys, you see me like talking about God and stuff like that. So like I recently gave my life to Christ this year, and I can honestly say that that's the decision I have made. I'm really not the same person who I used to be, or even the same person I was last year. Like I gave up a lot. I stopped doing certain things. I used to be like heavy in nightlife. Like I used to be a bottle girl, bartender. Cut that all out. I used to be heavy in the club. Like I was a club girl. And I'm always like trying to get lit when I'm going out. Doing things I had no business doing. But I gave that all up. I gave up like other things, and life has just been peaceful, and I feel like life just makes like more sense now. Like I feel like I have more clarity. I feel like once I turned 30 and I gave my life to Christ, like this right here, my frontal lobe, it really has developed. And I really do that. Like the way I'm thinking, the way how I'm just like really hungry for my goals and things I want to accomplish that I was never thinking before, it's now happened. So I'm just like so grateful. I give all the praise and honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I'm just so happy. And granted, I'm not perfect. I'm human. There may be times where, oh, I'm using House Labs, by the way. I love this foundation. House Labs. Get that. So I'm not perfect. I'm human. Sometimes I may stumble and fall short, but I always ask God for grace, and He gives it to me. And that's the type of God I serve. So that's a little bit about me and my spiritual journey. And honestly, like, and I'm so glad I'm not the person to have FOMO. Like when I see like my friends going out to clubs and stuff like that, like I don't miss it. Like I always tell people, like God let me live a life. He let me live the life I wanted to live for 30 years. Like He let me live a life. Like I know what it's like to be outside. I know what it's like. Like I know I'm not missing anything. It's the same thing. Like I've been there, done that. I worked it. Like I know what it's like. So I'm just so grateful for this chapter and this journey that I'm on. I have like a lot of things planned for myself. A lot of things I want to do. A lot of things I want to accomplish. And with God and trust and hope in Him, I know I will accomplish anything that is in His will for me, of course. Else about me, I'm still single. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm single and I'm not looking. And I say not looking, like I'm not searching for a man. Like I'm not going out with the intention to, oh, let me get dressed up because so-and-so's going to be there, or let me get dressed up and go. Like I don't go to places with the intentionality to meet someone. Like I just go outside because like granted I'm not going to meet no one in my apartment because I have to go outside. So when I say not looking, like I'm not the type to go on like on an app or anything like that. Like my man, whoever he is, oh my God, I really been on so hard it hurts. So whoever my man is, he will find me, because in the Bible it says he finds a wife and he will find me, okay? He will definitely find me, and I am patient. And I honestly feel like this is like, I can't believe I'm telling you guys this, but this is like, I call this my single season, because this is like the first time in like all my life where I'm not talking to anyone. Like I don't even get a good morning text. Like my phone, I texted like my homegirls and that's it. I think one of them is texting right now. But yeah, I do text my homegirls, my friends, family. Like I have no love interest. I have not been on a date all year. That's literally a first for me. Like that's like, never in my life could I say I've never gone on a date all year. I've been dating myself. That's what I've been dating myself, pouring into myself. Like, man, it's honestly stressful. And before I used to like date around and stuff like that, but I'm just like, nah, what's the point? I just like, I'm not wasting your time, let alone mine. Like, I'm trying to be married, I'm trying to be a wife, I'm trying to live a soft life. Like, I'm just dating around just to date. I no longer find an interest in it. I used to, like, just like, I used to be like, oh, let me just go with this guy, let me just go get dinner. But now I'm just like, why? Like, I have food at home, I can feed myself, I can go with my homegirls and have a meaningful conversation. Like, I don't need to sit across from the dude who I'm misusing for dinner, which I used to do. But now I'm just like, yeah, I'm over it. So now I'm good. Like, and I feel like God's really put me through the single season, or I call it like my lonely season, because like, I'm not saying that I'm lonely, but like I said, I'm not talking to anyone, I'm not dating anymore. I feel like He's putting me through this season because I've never had a season like this where I'm not talking to anyone. Oh, sorry. Oh, being so wrapped up in the story. So you saw me set my under eye, right? So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. You don't have to bake after this step, but I like to bake. I'm using the translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier. This is my favorite setting powder right now. Well, it's always my favorite setting powder. I like Huda too, I like Huda Beauty. I'm gonna be late to this dinner. Anyways, like I was saying, it's my single season for a reason. Whatever the reason is, I'm not questioning it. And I'm fine. Like, I'm really content. I'm really fine. My season will come. So right now I'm just gonna bronze my face. Put bronzer all around. That's a little bit about me and my spiel and my life. My life. You could think it's boring, but hey, I guess I've been having fun still. Oh, and this right here is my holy, like, I love this Fenty Beauty powder, and I'm so mad I just recently discovered it. Right now she has them on sale for $20, so I bought like a whole bunch. I bought some for me, I bought some for my clients. This powder literally gives you an airbrush finish, like it's so good. And always make sure you get down to your neck. I've been saying that since like forever. Remember, wherever you put liquid, you put powder. Powder is an absolute must. I'm gonna contour my nose, and I don't like a harsh contour either. So I'm using a powder to contour my nose. You can see the contour. It's a little like drag queenish. I like it to be light and subtle. Juvia's Place Bronze Duo in the shade Dark. This is one of my favorite bronzers right now. I just go like this a little bit. Like my go-to look. Like I don't like to do too much. Let me smoke up my under eye. And when I smoke up my under eye, I use the eyeshadow. Like a dark brown, mascara. And also, you guys, you don't need to break the bank when it comes to makeup products. I feel like the most expensive thing you should use your money on when it comes to makeup is a good concealer, good foundation, a good lip pencil. I already know this is my. I love this lip pencil by MAC Chestnut. Definitely an OG. And it's an OG for a reason. I love it. You know what's so funny? At one point, I wanted lip fillers. I'm just like, why? I was like, why? I'm just like, this is propaganda I should not be falling for. Like, why do I need lip fillers? And I came to the conclusion that I don't, and I never got them, and I'm glad I didn't. Well, you just use like the pressed powder and press it into your skin. So I'm like really oily, like around my cheeks, my nose. Gold Deposit, another OG. If you know, you know. Like, I don't even have to do much talking when it comes to the setting spray. Let me go transform and look a little bit more human for you guys. One second.